My name is Alisha Service. I am a high school intern here at CEI, and right now we are in the Grow It, Eat It garden. So this garden pretty much serves as a very educational space where people can learn how they can grow different fruits, veggies, all types of produce at home. So we're going to build a demo patio where we can sample urban planting. We have a whole lot of raised beds where people can come and plant a specific type of produce or whatever they're searching for. Now we have a lot of these little cotton beds, and we have raised beds that we're filling in with mulch and wood chips at the bottom. And then on top of that, we're going to be putting a lot of soil and dirt. And so the wood chips are an inexpensive alternative to just filling the whole thing with soil. And it really helps with drainage, and of course it's cheaper, so it's easier for us to do. And that's what we chose to do.